Hey YouTube, today I've got a Volvo XC70. This is a 2011 model with the 3.2 liter engine. Today's task is a real quick one here. It's just to replace the engine air filter. You'll need a couple of tools. You'll need a T25 and you'll need either a flathead or a 7mm socket or nut driver to get this done. So first order of business is to release this hose clamp here with the 7mm or flathead. Next, we'll remove the T25 screws located around the air filter housing box. Okay, once those are loosened, the top of the air box here should just come right up, and air filter, as you can see, is down below here. If it's been a while, it might be sticky, so just take your time. I like to grab this section here and just move it out of the way, and that way you can, check here and clean this as necessary. And from here, here's the old air filter. This one looks like it's had better days, so we'll go ahead and chuck that. The new air filter that I'm using today, I procured from FCP Euro. They're not a sponsor, but good place to get parts. There's a part number for that. And as you can see here, it is just like the original one, or at least the one that was in here. And just go ahead and put it in here like so. Once the filter is in place firmly on the lower half of the box, we can reassemble by getting the air intake plumbing lined up with the snorkel here. Once that's in place, just a matter of getting everything lined up, all those screw holes lined up, and tightening those T20 screws. Okay, just make sure you haven't pinched the air filter anywhere before you start fastening these screws down. All right, lastly, we want to make sure the air intake box is secure right here, and tighten that hose clamp. There's just a quick note, there's a nub right here to align the intake plumbing with the snorkel part of the air filter box. And there's even a spot here that the clamp's supposed to line up with. So that's the index mark that I was talking about, and that's where the hose clamp's supposed to sit. Anyway, that's how you do this job. Pretty easy one for a do-it-yourselfer. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you want to see more content like this, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and have a great day.